Hey guys, Alex Ryan here, and I want to thank you for dropping by. Now, let me ask you a quick question. Are you looking for advice or some training on setting up your Amazon business? Maybe you've been thinking about starting an Amazon business for a while, and the number one thing holding you back is you don't know the first steps. Maybe you're looking for product ideas. Maybe you're not too sure how to go about listing it on Amazon. Maybe you don't even know how to go about finding hot products or even suppliers on Alibaba, how to find good quality products, good quality suppliers, all right? So what I've put together is a brand new 2-day training. Now this is going to be held, you can see below on this page, you can see all the details involved on the upcoming training, all right? We're going to be holding this. It's a 2-day training where you bring your laptop, you bring your device. It is called a workshop, an Amazon workshop, where we do actual work in the room. So we find hot products in the room. We look at suppliers. We actually find suppliers in the room, all right? So make sure you bring a computer. We list products on Amazon in the room. So we actually do the entire thing at the 2-day training. We find products, we find suppliers, we list the products on Amazon. So guys, this training, we don't hold them very often. If you've been thinking about joining an Amazon workshop for a while, and the number one thing holding you back is price, or maybe you're just not too sure whether you'll learn the entire thing, guys, in this 2-day training, we cover the entire thing. From finding products, finding suppliers, listing it on Amazon, and a whole bunch more. There's great networking there. There's great like-minded people. You might be sitting next to an Amazon seller doing 50K a month, right? So we actually do have Amazon sellers come to this training, and they actually talk about the products that they're selling right now. They talk about what they're doing with their listings, you know, how they build their Amazon store, and a whole bunch more. So guys, make sure you are at this training. If you've been looking for a business for a while that enables you to travel the world, to actually do stuff that you really want to do. I'm currently in beautiful Santorini right now, and I've actually got a business where Amazon is truly a business which enables you to travel a lot and actually earn money while you are away. So if you've been looking for a business like Amazon, if you've been wanting to spend more time with your family, go on more holidays, you know, send your kids to the finest schools and colleges, Amazon could be the vehicle for you. So make sure you're at this training. Now you'll find out more details on how much a ticket costs. We are running a special promotion right now where you can, there's a special deal on right now. You'll find out more information below, but make sure if you're serious about this, if you're serious about making money and you're serious about starting a business on Amazon, not curious, but serious, right? Make sure you're at the next training. My name's Alex Ryan. Thanks for dropping by. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now.